Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in DeepAgent by Abacus AI, and I got something to show you. Holy smokes, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how AI can use your browser to do work for you, to do tasks for you. And here's the best part. It'll do it while you're sleeping. This is absolutely crazy. AI agents, AI browsers are taking over the internet, and DeepAgent is the best of the best. I'm going to give you two very quick examples. The first one, we're going to go to LinkedIn, and the AI is going to reach out to CEOs. In this case, it could be anybody. It's going to reach out to CEOs, send them a connection request, and send them a message. I want to connect with them. I want to work with them. Yeah, very cool. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to create a list of jobs that I can apply for. It's going to give me a table. It's going to go ahead and give me all the reasons why I should apply for it. And it's going to do all of this on autopilot. It's crazy. I've got it here. Log in. Let's go. All right, here we go. So I'm logged into DeepAgent. If this is your first time using it, just head over to this website right here. I, of course, have a link in the description below. Just click on that bad boy, and off you go. Do note here that it's $10 per user billed monthly. That is like 40% of the cost of a ChatGPT license, and you get way more. It's an absolute steal of a deal. It's crazy. Anyways, log in, get cooking. Once you're logged in, you'll see a screen that looks just like this. And one of the things I really like about DeepAgent, I'm going to stay it right up front here, is it is incredibly easy to use. It does incredibly complicated things, but it's a piece of cake to use, and that's why I love it. It's very simple, minimalistic. I love it. Here we go. So the first thing you can do is you can either go through here and take a look at some of these pre-built examples. So if you want to do a weekly dinner date, or maybe you want to build a RAG chatbot, or a website with Stripe payments, and yes, I'm not kidding, it has payments built in. So if you want to build a site or an app that accepts money, hey, it can do that. In this case, we're going to do what I said we're going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy in my first prompt. Here it is. Go to LinkedIn, find all the CEOs of generative AI tech companies, because that's what I work in, and then send a connection request. And this just sort of gets to that whole point where it's, hey, it does it while you sleep. I'm going to hit the go button here. Watch this. It's going to go ahead. It's going to do a little bit of thinking. Now, there is some human in the loop, so I am being consulted on a couple of the questions, because I don't want it sending out questions like, I don't want to send to a CEO of a tech company going saying, hey, bro, you up? We can't be having that message go out here. So it asks a couple of questions. It says here, geographic focus. I'm going to be like, I'm just going to go worldwide. I don't care. I mean, this is just going to be simple company size, small to medium, and everything you put in here, it will ask you a couple of questions, but depending on what you type in, it'll be, you'll get different questions given to you. Connection message, you choose. I'm going to say you choose it, but make it professional sounding, because I don't want the you up stuff going out there. Number of connections. How many connections would you like to connect with? Let's start with 20. I mean, you can go to 1,000 if you want, but I'm going to start nice and simple here. And then it's asking for a definition of generative AI tech companies. I'm going to be like, hey, you choose. Give lots of latitude. So I want a whole bunch of ideas. I don't want just like, it doesn't have to have generative AI in the title of the business. I'm going to hit the enter button. I answered its couple quick questions. Now you'll see here that the DeepAgent is about to start thinking, pardon me. I'm going to come back when it's done its thinking, and then I'm going to show you the next steps. It's going to blow your mind. All right, here we go. So it's gone ahead and run it for me just like I asked it. Here on the left side, you'll see it says searching LinkedIn connection request to generative AI CEOs. Fantastic. It went through the website, and here's some of the things it looked for. So if you wanted to dig in, each one of these is clickable. AI, CEO, founder, small company, CEO, LLM, generative AI, startup. All these terms are exactly what I would look for if I was doing this manually, but no, I've got an AI browser or an AI agent to do it for me. So here we go. Anyways, keep going down here. Here's the script that it wrote. And anyways, here we go. It's gone ahead and looked at all of the profiles, all the connect buttons. It's all there, but we have to log in, and that is only fair. So here we go. Next step. Action required. Please log into your LinkedIn account. So let's go ahead and do that. I did not log in initially, so here we go. I'm just going to click on the sign in button. And yes, this browser is working inside of another browser. It's like Inception browser. So here we go. Let's go ahead and sign in. Just take a few seconds here. Let me just go ahead and do that. All right, and as you can see here, is adding in all these high-powered CEOs, Fei-Fei Li, Aravind Srinivas, Mark Benioff of Agentforce, he's the Salesforce CEO, These are all big time players in the AI world, and this is exactly what I would want it to do. So this is DeepAgent in action, guys, but let's take a look at one more thing while I got you. All right, there we go. So there's an example of us connecting with a whole bunch of high-powered AI people, but let's go a step further. What if I want to apply for jobs? Hey, maybe I connected with them and now I want to apply to their companies or other companies. Well, check out this prompt here. This one here is I wanted to go through my LinkedIn profile and list 10 jobs. This could be 100 jobs if I wanted to, but let's make it nice and quick here. And I wanted the best fit based on my profile. And what I wanted to do is create a table and that has a company name, link to hiring manager, my profile, their profile, etc. And then I want to explain to me why that's a good fit for me. Now, this could be customized any way you see fit. But AI browsers and AI agents are not only the future, they're now, guys, and you can even use them to generate leads, to generate, companies you want to apply for, etc., etc. So there we go. Anyways, here we go. It's asked me a couple of clarifying questions as it does. I'm going to say, hey, you choose for all. Now, I'm going to go ahead and make this quicker because I don't want it to take, you could go through and go, hey, I'm only interested in data scientist roles and I want to work in New York or San Francisco, etc. But I'm just letting it do its thing here. It's going to think, it's going to cook it up for me. I'm going to come back when it's done, show you what we got, and then we're going to wrap it all up. All right, welcome back. So here we go. We answered the questions, and now you can see here on the right side that it's going to go ahead and ask me to log in and do the same type of process we just went through here. It's going to analyze the profile to understand our background and skills. It's going to search for jobs posted in the last week. If you wanted it to be a longer period of time, you could state that. It's going to find the 10 best matches or whatever number you're looking for, and then it's going to create a detailed table with company names, etc. So it's doing all of the things I asked it to do. I just have to sign in. Now, I'm not going to do that because you just saw me do that a few seconds ago. But there you go, guys. These are AI agents, AI browsers that work while you sleep. They're the real deal. It's all over the place. Sign up. Links in the description below. Let me know what you